back to East Coast UK. Join me at the Herring Bridge in Great Yarmouth, which is just about to go up, and hopefully we'll quickly get the drone up before it goes down. Right, back to you soon. welcome back. We're back down. As you saw, we didn't get the drone up in time quick enough for the bridge to come down, but hey ho, we was doing a video here anyway. It's just on promptude and attempted getting it up before the bridge came down, because we didn't know it was coming down, but I was just filming here anyway. As you see, we're back here just on an island, which is nice and safe for us. We went, as you saw, over the bridge, which is over there, and then we went across to the pleasure beach, just behind me, and then upriver towards the other bridge, the Haven Bridge, which is the, I believe the original bridge in Yarmouth, and then we came back along the river. Okay, as I said before, if there's anywhere you want me to go in Norfolk or Suffolk, sorry about the long fans anyway, Norfolk or Suffolk, let me know and we'll do our best to film it. Right, normal jazz, like, comment, subscribe, bye bye for now.